Cabellas! I am going to read a simple story today. The title is The Ugly Duckling. There was once a mother duck who gave birth to 5 ducklings. One of them is very gray, who looks very different from her siblings. The mother's duck's friends are excited to meet the ducklings. Upon seeing that one of it is gray, they all laugh and made fun of its ugly looks. The ugly duckling was very upset at how different she looks. She has no friend and felt that no one loves her. Until one day, the ugly duckling left into a faraway place where no one will make fun of her looks. The ugly duckling met other animals and asked if she could stay with them. They refused because of her looks. As winter came, nobody still wanted her. She had moved from one place to another to find a shelter. Lying helpless in the cold snow, she saw some birds flying freely. How she wished she could glide in the sky with them. A farmer found the poor duckling on the snow and took her home with him. She felt comfortable in his arms and thought she finally was safe. She soon found out that the farmer has a bratty son. He played cruel tricks on her. Fearing for her life, she ran away from the house. She found a safety on a secluded grassland near a forest. She could hide beneath the bushes and no one will find her. While playing in her little paradise one morning, the ugly duckling discovered that she can fly. She spread her wings wide and flew while the birds in the sky. The ugly duckling turned out to be a majestic swan. Adored by many, she never felt lonely since then. So kids, did you learn your lesson to appreciate how you are? The end. Follow for more.